What if I told you that there's a secret weapon that the top marketers are using to generate millions of dollars in sales? I'm talking about VSLs, or video sales letter. They're the reason why some businesses are crushing it online while others are left in the dust. In the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you what a VSL is, why they're so effective, and how you can create it for your business to turn strangers into sales. So, what exactly is a VSL? It's basically a sales page, but in a video format. So think of it like this. Instead of reading through tons of text, your prospect watches a video that explains everything about how you can solve their problem. Why are VSLs better than just regular sales page with text? It's simple. VSLs combine the persuasive power of video with the structure of a sales letter, which is why they're so effective at capturing and maintaining viewers' attention. They're also great for building trust, demonstrating product visually, and creating emotional connection, allowing you to grab and hold their attention better than just traditional methods of sales letter. Fun fact, VSLs were created by a guy named John Benson back in 2005. He's also known as the godfather of VSL. His first VSL was for his book called The Every Other Diet, and it was a massive hit. Since then, VSLs have become the cornerstone of digital marketing, generating billions in sales across so many different industries. So, who should use VSLs? Well, in my opinion, almost anyone with an online business should have a VSL. Here are just a few examples. Coaches and consultants, online course creators, people selling digital products, done-for-you service providers, marketing agencies. Now that we've talked about what a VSL is, why it's so effective, and who it's for, let's zoom out for a bit and see how it fits into the bigger picture, something called a VSL funnel. All right, so this is what the VSL funnel looks like. We're going to start from either organic or paid ad traffic. So that could be, if you're doing organic, that could be a YouTube content, an Instagram post, Facebook, LinkedIn post. So these are content that you can post for free. So within all these platforms, you can promote your posts or your content through paid ads. So where the traffic will go towards is going to be starting with your opt-in page. So this could be just a page where you can collect their information in exchange to show them a solution to the problem that they're having. Or it could be a lead magnet, like something that you'll give away for free in exchange for their email and phone number. Okay, so once that's done, they're going to be taken to your video page or your VSL page. Okay, one important thing to note is when you collect their information, you want to make sure that you have some kind of autoresponder or email automation system set up, because if you don't have it, then you're really just getting their information and you're not using it. That's money left on the table, and we don't want that. So make sure you have some kind of email campaign set up so that you could start sending out emails as soon as they start opting in. All right. So now you have the video page, right? This will be your main VSL page. So that's going to be pretty simple, where you have the outcome that you'll be able to help them with. Once you're done presenting the video, they'll be able to take the next step. So from there, they'll have basically two options. You can take them to a low ticket offer or a high ticket offer. Low ticket is basically where you're selling a digital product and it's low priced. So meaning it will basically be less than $1,000. Okay. So that's where they'll be taken to a checkout page. They put in their information, their credit card information, everything that they need to purchase. And then from there, you can also send them to an upsell page or a downsell page, or both, if you wanted to increase the order average value of the cart. And then it'll be taken to the thank you page after that. All right. So this is what I am currently doing with our business. So we have the high ticket offer, where we help business owners and entrepreneurs create more content on YouTube through Done For You YouTube channel. So basically, after they watch our video, our VSL video, if they wanted to get more information, we tell them to schedule a demo, and then we would take them to a qualification page. So this is where we ask them a couple of questions just to make sure that they are qualified to be in this program. So we'll basically be able to get that information before the call. And if they're not qualified, then we will just cancel the call and they can be taken to another page, like a page where we can sell them a course, or we can just give them free content. And whenever they are ready and they are qualified, then they can book a call again. Okay, so that's the qualification page. Once they fill that form out, then they'll be taken to the calendar page or the scheduling page, where they'll be able to see the appropriate times that both and the person that they'll be talking to have an availability on, and then they're going to be able to book a call there. From there, once that's done, they'll be taken to the thank you page, and you want to give them the next steps on the thank you page. One optional thing you could also do is put a video there that basically give them expectations, what's going to be on the call, and you can also give them some resources or materials to review before the call. You can put that on the thank you page. Okay, and then pretty much the next steps are pretty standard. You get on a phone call or a Zoom call, and then from there you would try to understand their pain points and see if you can help them. If you can help them, you present them your offer, and if they see that your offer can help them overcome a problem that they're having, then they will gladly pay you and become a client. All right, now that you see the big picture, let's break down what you need to include in your VSL. There are many frameworks out there, but I'll give you a simple 3-part framework. Part 1, the opener. This is where you need to come in hot. You got about 5 to 10 seconds to grab their attention. Think of it like an opening scene to an action movie. It needs to be gripping right from the start. Part 2, the body. This is where you get to share all the juicy details. Talk about the problems that your viewer is having. Really dig into those pain points, the stuff that keeps them up at night. And then you swoop in and then show them exactly how you can solve their problem and make their lives easier. Part 3, the call to action. Now, obviously, you don't want to just leave your viewer hanging after watching your video. So tell them exactly what to do next. This needs to be crystal clear. Whether it's click the button below or call now, book a demo. Make sure your audience knows what the next step should be. Final tips on scripting your VSL. Keep it simple and conversational. Use testimonials and proof to build trust. Now, also, you need good quality audio and good quality video. That's a must. Now, you can use AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or any other AI tools out there to create a VSL script. If you want me to make a video on that, just let me know. I made my first VSL when I launched an offer for placing virtual assistants. It was pretty nerve-wracking to shoot that video, and I didn't know how to do the video editing. After so many tries and fails, I found the easiest way to shoot and edit my video. You can go watch that video next.